Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I did this really cute and easy Valentine's Day water marble design. It is super easy to do, you don't need a lot of different or expensive products for this. You just need a little bowl, some tap water, a needle, and of course some polishes that you want to do the water marble with. But if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So on forehand I have already applied a base coat and one coat of white off camera, just to make sure this video won't take a super long time, because I like to keep mine quite snappy. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so, and of course become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. So Orly has sent out to me 3 gorgeous polishes from their breathable treatment and color collection. These are actually a 3-in-1, so you have your base, your color and your top coat in one bottle, which is super handy of course. But I am going to use these 3 polishes for my water marble. I've never tried Orly polishes, or at least not the breathable collection polishes before, so this will be my first time actually trying them out. And this first color is actually called Fairy Godmother. It is a beautiful rusty kind of rose gold color, very shimmery and actually really pretty in a water marble. The second one is a hot pink. It's a little bit of a magenta kind of color with a little bit of purple in there, in my opinion. It is just a gorgeous pink, and you guys know me, I love my pink colors. This one is called Astral Flare, and once again it is from the breathable collection, and these bottles are actually quite big. These are the biggest regular nail polish bottles that I have ever had in my collection, to be honest, because these actually contain 18 milliliters of product, while usually there is about 10, sometimes 8, sometimes 15 milliliters in a bottle. So these are quite richly filled. And this last color is called Diamond Potential, by the way, and it is a very lovely medium to dark gray with a little bit of a warmer brown kind of undertone. So I feel like this is one of those colors that you can wear any time of year. It is very neutral but quite vampy as well, because it is a little dark. But because I am going to do a water marble, and I actually never use my liquid latex because I really dislike the smell, but I really wanted to also share with you guys how I use it, if I use it, which isn't very often. I'm going to apply one by Holo Taco. This one is actually called Protective Peel. There actually is a latex in here, so if you are allergic to that, please don't use it and use any other alternative. You could even use a little bit of scotch tape or painter's kind of tape to actually protect your skin from having a lot of polish to remove. But you will see later on in this video that actually you will see the reason why I don't like liquid latex, because you have to apply a ton. I already felt like I had applied a ton to my fingers already, but you will see in a little bit how much there was left that I actually still had to clean off of my skin with some nail polish remover and a little cotton round. But let's continue with making the bullseye for the water marble. I always get a lot of questions on what kind of water that I use. This is just regular tap water. It is room temperature. I have boiled it before, just let it cool down to room temperature. The reason why I boil it first is so the nail polish actually spreads out a little better. This is not a small bowl, and I'm not applying a lot of polish at the moment because I wanted to do this in a 2-part kind of bullseye. So I'm actually going to do a bullseye twice, and yeah, just place the colors in any random order. I just wanted it to be a little bit more pink and a little less of the gray, just to make it very Valentine's Day like. And once you have applied all of the little droplets and made your bullseye, I just take one of those ball end needles. You can use any needle, even like a bobby pin or something like that, to actually marble the colors together. And once you have the desired marble, just dunk in your fingernails. So I just decided to do my thumb and my pointer finger first. In previous Watermarble videos, which I think it's like over a year ago that I actually did one, I tend to dunk in all 5 of my nails at once. If you want to do that as well, make sure that your bowl is big enough, and also that you have made a big enough like Watermarble itself. Make a really big bullseye, so drop in a little more droplets than I did right here, and actually marble it and make sure that you can really place all 5 nails in there without the nails actually touching each other, if you know what I mean. But yeah, if you want to know more about that, I will definitely link one of those videos at the end screen in the last like half minute, so you can check that out once you're done watching this video as well. So I just continued with making the second bullseye, and as you can see here, that fairy godmother color, that super shimmery one, it marbles so beautifully. I am obsessed with it. It is such a gorgeous color. And Orly, I do have a couple of their like regular collection in my own stash, but I don't use them that often. I really don't know why, because they are quite nice, but I feel like I need to add some more to my collection and just start the love for this brand a little more. Of course, I have received these 3 polishes, and actually a cuticle oil and a strengthener polish as well from a PR company here in the Netherlands. So thank you so much for sending this out to me. Other than that, I'm not being paid or anything to actually make this video, just want to put it out there. They are just really kind to send this out to me so I could actually try some new nail polish brands as well. But yeah, I have just dunked my final 3 fingers in the second bullseye, and here you can see I have removed the liquid latex already. So yeah, there still was a ton of polish left on my fingers, and yeah, it does take some time to actually clean up, especially around the cuticle area, and especially if you are using darker polish like I did in this particular Watermarble. On the thumb, you can also see in the center, I actually bunked my nail into my work desk, and I was so bummed out by that. I was actually hesitating if I was going to do that nail again, like make a full on new Watermarble or bullseye and then marble and then actually go in again with my thumb. But I was like, let's just add a little bit of that beautiful shimmery rose gold kind of color and make it look like a little geode. So yeah, sometimes mistakes can actually turn into something really unique, really pretty, and yeah, just try it out. Don't give up right away when something goes wrong. For example, bunking your nail into a table or work desk. It happens, and I love to share my little mistakes with you guys as well, so we can all learn together and also learn how to actually cover up mistakes like this. But yeah, here you can see a little close-up, all zoomed in and personal. As you can see, there is still some polish on my skin. It was a little difficult to remove it because the Orly polishes are super pigmented, and there was a lot of shimmer involved as well, as you can see. But yeah, let's just let that dry for, I'd say, 10 to 15 minutes before going in with your top coat. I'm just using a top coat I use all the time, simply because I don't have an Orly top coat yet, but I really wanted to give it an extra layer of protection. So yeah, just make sure it is fully dry before you go in with that top coat. But yeah, I really love this color combination, and I'm really impressed with the colors so far from Orly. As I mentioned, these are from the breathable line, and they are 3-in-1. So you have your top coat, your base coat, and your color coat in one. I didn't have any stains or discoloration on my nails after doing this water marble, even though the colors are very pigmented, but I of course have applied a base coat and a white layer of polish on forehand. So yeah, I'm quite curious to see if these will stain if I only use those polishes, but I will get back onto that later because I am planning on doing some like nail polish of the week videos with these 3 colors as well. Maybe do like a compilation video so you can see them all side by side. But this was the entire new water marble video so far. Let me know what you think about this design. I think it's very suitable for Valentine's Day. But thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.